Morning, everybody. Won't be long. Getting started. Just a couple more things to set up. Make sure you have your poi today. Scheduled to start at 10:30. So you guys are early. Good work. Got some poi there. Just grab my guitar actually. Hey, buddy. Still setting up, team. Won't be long. Just getting the Facebook feed going as well. Man, that blue screen's horrible, eh? Sorry, team, I just can't figure it out. We've tried everything. I think we've just got an old TV. But yeah, give me a moment. All right. Last few arrangements. Ka pai, kia ora tātou. Sorry to keep you waiting. Morning and Natalie, see you watching there. Tawa a whānau, kia ora koutou. I know Tāne Rau will be watching, as always. Tanuku whānau, kia ora koutou. All right. Just make last couple. Oh yeah, choice. Morena, morena, tēnā koutou tamariki mā, tēnā koe matua whaitiri. That's the response. Ka pai. We go one more time. Tēnā koutou tamariki mā, tēnā koe matua whaitiri. No mau hoki mai ki tō tātou wānanga Kapahaka for Kids. Welcome back to Kapahaka for Kids for another morning. day 3 of our lockdown, and I hope everyone is still healthy, warm, and safe. Got lots of kai in the puku and lots of activities to do around the house. Ka pai. Above everything else, though, be kind to our families. Now, trying to do the screen a little bit differently today by saving everything as a picture and running it via USB straight into the TV, and it hasn't made any difference whatsoever. And now that I'm talking about it, now I can't even find the remote to change. Oh, there we go. Lucky I'm not getting paid for this, eh? So here we go. See if I get this working. Oh no. Not a good start.
Halls of great institutions lie
Bit
extraordinary
of TV.
tales of intrigue and wonder.
Well, this is organized, isn't it? Ah, here we go. Go to slide number 2. Hopefully this is right. Kia ora tātou. We'll get underway with our karakia, finally. So just repeat it after me and follow my actions. Ko riri tātou, are you ready? Kia hora. Kia hora. Te marino. Te marino. Kia whakapapa. Pounamu. Te moana. Kia tere. Kia tere. Te karohirohi. Te karohirohi. I mua. I tō huarahi. I tō huarahi. Tihei. Tihei. Mauri ora. Kia ora. Kia pai mai hoki. All right. Let's move on to the next one. Here we go. We must be up to warm up, eh? We warming up? Kiwaha first. Okay. Here we go. Our kiwaha for today is ao noa pō noa. Ka pai? Kōrero mai. Ao noa pō noa. Ka pai. And you see there's a little pōtai over the O in pō. That means we accentuate that vowel sound. So, ao noa pō noa. Ao noa pō noa. Ka pai. And ao noa pō noa is 24/7. Ka pai. Day and night. All good? That's a cool little kiwaha, eh? Ao noa pō noa. Hey, good pronunciation. Kia ora tātou. All right, let's move on to Waiata mahana reo. Here we go. Haka mana para tawanga wha. E heke mene pere te wenge whe. I hiki mini piri ti wingi fi. O hoko mono poro to wongo fo. Vowel sounds. A, e, I, o, u. Uhukumunu puru tuwungufu. Joyce. Should try that one with the guitar, eh? Here we go. Find us a nice key to sing it in. How's that key? Good for you? All right, let's get it going then. Mana para tawanga wha. E heke mene pere te wenge whe. I hiki mini piri te wenge whi. O hoko mono poro to wongo wha. A, e, I, o, u. Uhuku munu puru tu wungu. Choice. Ka rawe tō te Waiata. So I hope the voice is all warmed up now and the tongue is nice and active to create those correct Maori sounds, like the rolling of the R. Yeah, Macho, I'm ready to go. All right then. Here we go. Next Waiata, we'll go pakeke, paki, tamariki ma. Ka pai? Toru, wha. Paki, tamariki ma. Paki, 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 tamariki ma. E oma, e oma, e oma, tamariki ma. E oma, e oma, e oma, tamariki ma. Kani, 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 tamariki ma. Kani, kani. Kani, 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 tamarikima, epeke, 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 tamarikima, epeke, 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 tamarikima, emoe, 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 tamarikima, emoe, emoe. Emoe tamarikima. E oho tamarikima. It's time to wake up and do some kapahaka. Here we go. Let's change this. Oh, the system isn't working too bad. It's a little bit annoying using the remote, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Same one as yesterday. I'll sing it. You sing it after me. You ready? Okay, and don't forget to do the actions. Toru fa. Pakeke mai o mati mati. Wai wai fiua ki te taha. Takahuri takahuri ko wiri wiri. Kani kani tatinana. Hey ha, hey ha, hey ha, paki paki. One more, pake ke mai, o mati mati. Wai fiua ki te taha. Kapai. Takahuri ko wiri wiri. Kani kani tatinana. Hey ho, hey ho, hey ho, paki paki. Karawe. Good work, whānau. Having a lot of fun doing a little bit of kani kani in your own living room. That's choice, that's choice. So, here we go. Oh man, you know what? Now that I'm getting the hang of the remote, I don't mind it so much, as long as everything's in order. Here we go. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai wai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai wai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai wai. Taringa patu ihuahae. How'd you get on? Good, good. So, make it a little bit more tricky. We're going to take some words away today. No more mahunga. No puku. No waiwai. Okay, no mahunga. No puku. No waiwai. No ihu. No waha. Okay, no mahunga. No puku. No waiwai. No ihu. No waha. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Tore fa. Pakihiwi. Hoppe. Pakihiwi. Hoppe. Pakihiwi. Hoppe. Taringa patu. How did you do at your home? Did you get it all right? That's fantastic. Ka pai, kia pai mai hoki, eh? Woo. Giving it a red hot go, ao no pono. It's trying to fit in the kiwa as many times as I can. Here we go. Oh, not to freeze up. Oh, here we go. Tutira mai. I love tutira mai. But I'm not going to do the actions with you today. I want you to try those actions on your own. Really easy. Tutira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e. Other side. Tutira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e. Ka pai. Whai a te māramatanga, bring it to the heart. E ngā iwi, kia tapatahi, kia kotahi rā, tātou e. Reason why I'm not doing the actions today is because I'm going to use the guitar. Here we go. And if you can't remember the actions, don't even worry about it. Just make them up. Yeah, no one's watching. Here we go. Play it and see. Tūtira mai ngā taruwha, tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou e. Whai a te māramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi, kia tapatahi, kia kotahi rā, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, au e, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, au e, tātou e. Whai a te māramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi, kia tapatahi, kia kotahi rā, tātou e. Tātou, puriti a kia mau, hiau e hi. Awesome. Ka mau te wehi. I can feel the energy of tūtira mai ngā iwi seeping through the phone there. Good stuff. Good stuff. Right. Another one of our beautiful classics here. This is Pūrea nei. Kiraro, hope, toru, wha. Pūrea nei. E te hau, horoia, horoia, e te ua, whiti whiti, whiti whiti a, e te rā, mahe ake ngā, poraruraru. Poraruraru, makere, hana, ngahere. Makere, hana, ngahere. Hey, tino paito mahi. That's good work. We're gonna try it. One more time. Ka pai? Are you ready? Ko ready, tātou? All right, let's jump in. Kiraro, hope, pūrea nei, toru, wha. Pūrea nei, e te hau, horoia, horoia, e te ua, whiti whiti, whiti whiti a. Te rā, mahea, mahea ke ngā, poraruraru, poraruraru, makere, makere, hana, ngahere, makere, hana, ngahere, hoppe. Hey! Ka pai. Wonderful song, eh? Pūrea nei. One of my favorites. Yes, it is. Is it one of your favorites as well? It is. Oh, wonderful. Okay. So now I think how this works is I go all the way back to the other end and start working my way back. Yes, it sure is. Okay. Our next waiata is pūrere hua, and you have a couple of options for pūrere hua today. Option number 1, you can just sing it with me. That's absolutely fine. Option number 2, you can use the actions. Option number 3, you can use your poi. Now, if you were with us yesterday, you'll still have your socks ready. Or if you're lucky enough to have actual poi in your whare, then that's wonderful as well. We've got a couple lying around here. By a couple, I think about 160, 170 by last count. But if you don't have a poi, that's okay. You can use this chance to quickly go and get a pair of socks and stuff one of the socks in there, tie it off at the end so it looks something like this. Ka pai? And this is more than enough. All right. Do you guys need poi, darling? Ivy? Do you want a poi? Yeah. Sorry, kids want poi.
Yeah.
And they. Yep, take that one for Ivy. My man. Okay, kids are down in the room doing they're doing Kapahaka for kids on the laptop in the room where they just could be here watching it live, as in like live in real life. But I don't know. Here we go. Hope. 4 catch, rainbow spin. Toru fa. Purere huerere runga hau. Papa ki parira urere runga hau. Kapiki runga rawae. Papa ki parira, take it to your shoulder. Katou runga pua away. Ka whāna hua, a purere hua. Ka tahi ka rua, ka toru ka wha. Ka ru, ka re, ka puta e whawhe. Purere hua, rere runga hau. Papa ki parira, rere runga hau. Ka piki runga rawae. Papa ki parira, rere runga hau. Papa ki parira, rere runga hau. Ah, kia ora. Ka pai tō koutou mahi poi. So just for poi today, I'm going to give you one more move. It's a little bit tricky, but it's fine. I said to you yesterday that music comes in an 8 count. So we're going to count out 8 moves. Are you ready? Here we go. Starting with the poi in the hand that you're right with, I'm going to take it over the same shoulder. This is 1. Okay, tahi. You're going to take it across to the opposite hip. That's 2. Then take it back to the other hip. That's 3. Take it back to the shoulder. That's 4. Onto the hand. That's 5. Catch it for 6. And then 7, 8 is cheesy smile. 7, 8. Ka pai? Here we go. Let's count it out. Shoulder, hip, hip, shoulder, hand, catch, cheese, toru, fa. Shoulder, hip, hip, shoulder, hand, catch, hold. Shoulder, hip, hip, shoulder, hand, catch, hold. Shoulder, hip, hip, shoulder, hand, catch, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. And don't forget the 7, 8. Don't forget the sassy hip. That's part of the move, right? Okay, here we go. Purere hua, toru, fa. Purere hua, rere runga hau. Papa ki parira, rere runga hau. Ka piki runga rawae. Papa ki parira, rere runga hau. Ka tau runga pua away. Ka whāna hua, a purere hua. Ka tahi ka rua, ka toru ka wha. Ka ru, ka re, ka puta e whawhe. New move. Purere hua, rere runga hau. Papa ki parira, rere runga hau. Ka piki runga rawae. Papa ki parira, rere runga hau. Papa ki parira, rere runga hau. Ka mau te wehi. Well done. Ah, kia kaha te poi. Ao noa, pō noa. Hey? Got it in there again. So here we go. One more poi song. E re re taku poi, toru fa. E re re taku poi, e re re taku poi, kiru nga. That's up. Kiru nga. E re re taku poi, e re re taku poi, kiraro. That's down. Kiraro. Erererunga, erereraro, erereroto in, ererewaho out. Erere takupoi, kirunga, kiraro, kiroto, kiwahoe. Kia ora, ka pai. Do you enjoy doing the poi? You do? Wow. So good to see you giving it a red hot go. It can be tricky, eh? But you know, the easiest way to learn how to poi, the easiest way to get good at doing the poi, find your favorite Māori song, put it on, and then using your poi, just have some fun. Ka pai? Just enjoy the poi, and that's the easiest way to get used to it. That's the easiest way to get good at it, and that's the most fun way to learn it. Ka pai? Yes. Awesome. Right. Must be into another Waiata aringa, I think. Let's go with Tihei Mauriora. Give her that it's next on the list. And if you're one of the Fox family and you're wondering why we haven't done Rona yet, don't worry. It's on the list for today. Okay? Here we go. Hoppe! Tihei torufa! Tihei Mauriora! Tihei Mauriora! Nai wiate motue! Tuake karangatia! Tuake manakitia! Nai wi kia ora ra! Tihei! Again! Tihei Mauriora! Tihei Mauriora! Ngai wiate motue! Tuake karangatia! Tuake manakitia! Ngai wi kia ora tahiru wa torufa! Hia uehi! Ka pai! Tihei Mauriora, what kind of song is it? That's right. Good. All right, where did I want to go to next? Go to our new Waiata. This is our Waiata for our Kaimahi Marika. Kōrero mai? Kaimahi Marika. Kaimahi Marika. Awesome. And a Kaimahi Marika is an essential worker. Ka pai? These are all of our whānau and our friends in our community that while we're at home, safe in our houses, safe on our properties, our essential workers are the ones that have to keep showing up day after day. Ka pai? Regardless of the level of lockdown, regardless of the alert level, our essential workers are the ones that keep our all ticking over, eh? So this is a short little waiata, mihi atu to them to say thank you for all of the wonderful work. Ka pai? We'll sing it once, and then we'll jump into the actions. Toru fa. Tēnā koutou e ngā kaimahi marika, e mahi tonu ana e. Ia matu e no hohau maru ana, ka mahi tonu koutou i ngā ratonga mo tatou. Tēnā koutou e ngā kaimahi marika, e mahi tonu ana e. Yeah, kia ora. The line that is giving everyone a lot of trouble are those last two lines because they run in so fast, eh? So repeat it after me. Ka mahi tonu koutou, ka mahi tonu koutou. I ngā ratonga mo tatou, I ngā ratonga mo tātou. Ka pai. So, ia matu e no ho maru ana. Ka mahi tonu koutou I ngā ratonga mo tātou. And then jump straight back up again. Tēnā koutou. Ka pai? All right, here we go. Toru wha. Tēnā koutou. Ka pai. E ngā kaimahi marika. So a couple of those. Then into e mahi tonu ana e. Oh, good. And then we turn. Ia matu e no. And then go back the other way. Ho maru ana. And then the quick actions. Grab, open, grab, open. Ka pai. And then open up through the middle. Kia ora. Grab, open, grab, open, middle. Choice. You ready? Tēnā koutou. Hop it. Tēnā koutou toru wha. Tēnā koutou e ngā kaimahi marika. E mahi tonu ana e. Ia matu. Ia matu e no ho maru ana. Ka mahi tonu koutou I ngā ratonga mo tātou. Tēnā koutou e ngā kaimahi marika. E mahi tonu ana e. Ia matu e no ho maru ana. Ka mahi tonu koutou I ngā tonga mo tātou. Tēnā koutou e ngā kaimahi marika. E mahi tonu ana tahiru a toru wā. Hea wehi. Ooh, kia ora. Shake it out. Woo. Guys are working hard this morning. Working real hard. Just pushing you through all of these waiata. Trying to get as much in as we can. Quick little pānui though, while I've still got you. After this session, I'm going to take a 5-minute break. And then I'm going to come back live on Facebook. Ka pai, on my Matua Whaitiri Pautawa Facebook page. After this session, I'm going to have 5 minutes break. And then I'm going to set myself up with a cup of tea. And talk a little bit about my mataora. And then you can ask your parents to type in any questions that you have about mataora, about my moko, about the tattoo on my face. Any questions you have, you can ask that here, because this is your safe place to ask. Ka pai? Okay, it's coming up after. So here we go. Another welcoming song. I'll sing it, you sing it, that's how it goes. Toru wha. Tēnā koutou e hoa mā. Kua tai mai nei I tēnei wā. No reira rā. E hoa mā. Kia ora rā. Koutou katoa. Together. Kua rongo hoki aho. Kua rongo hoki aho. Kua rongo hoki aho. Kei te haere mai koutou. No reira rā. E hoa mā. Kia ora rā. Koutou katoa. Kia ora. And thank you, Jada, for helping me out. Did you want to come on camera? Do some moves? No? Happy to sit in the background? Here we go. After. Right. So, I know we've passed the season of Matariki, but I wanted to introduce you to this little pātere, ka pai. It's a chant. And this chant follows a really simple format. It acknowledges the stars of Matariki, and then it just names them one after the other. Ka pai. This is my alternative, my traditional alternative to the Matariki Makarena. Ka pai? Yeah. You know what I'm talking about, eh? Okay, here we go. Jaden and I, we're going to do it, and then we'll break it down for everybody. Coming on? Here we go. Kiloro. Ko fiti fiti mai ngā whetua Matariki Waiata pōhutu kaua. Tupua nuku, tupua rangi, ururangi, waipunarangi, hiwa I te rangi ko Matariki. Hey! How was that? It's a little bit different, eh? Yeah, this is like real traditional style of Kapahaka, sometimes called more teatea or pātere, depending on the origin and the style of chant, kapai. But this one here, really simple. Just say it after me. Ka fiti fiti mai. Ka fiti fiti mai. Ngā whetu. Ngā whetu. O Matariki. O Matariki. Ka pai. Ka fiti fiti mai. Ka fiti fiti mai. Ngā whetu o Matariki. Ngā whetu o Matariki. Choice. And then we'll just name them, eh? Waiata. Waiata. Pōhutu kaua. Pōhutu kaua. Tupua nuku. Tupua nuku. Tupua rangi. Tupua rangi. Ururangi. Ururangi. Waipunarangi. Waipunarangi. Hiwa I te rangi. Hiwa I te rangi. Ko Matariki e. Te iwa o Matariki. The 9 stars of Matariki. Kapai? Alright. Let's do it 2 more times, eh? One nice and slow, and then we'll do one, lots of energy. Here we go. Toru fa. Ka fiti fiti mai ngā whetu o Matariki Waiata pōhutu kaua. Tipua nuku, tipua rangi, ururangi, waipunarangi, hiwa I te rangi ko Matariki e. Ooh, it's a big one, eh? Yeah, and there's lots of kupu in there, eh? Lots of words. It's a really easy way to learn the names of all of the stars of Matariki through Waiata, eh? It's the easiest way. So here we go. Ko riri tātou, last time. And if you want to march on the spot with your wiri, ka pai. And if you want to do some freestyle actions, want to chuck a few of those in there, okay. Give it a go. Okay. Give it a retro. Yeah, come on in. Here we go. Oh, today, not with those. Here we go. Ka fiti fiti, toru, fa. Ka fiti fiti mai ngā whetu o Matariki Waiata pōhutu kaua. Tupua nuku, tupua rangi, ururangi, waipunarangi, hiwa I te rangi ko Matariki e. Kia ora tātou. It was a big ask, and you gave it your best shot. That's all I ever asked for. Well done, thank you so much. Just checking the time. You know what time it is? What? Haka time. It's Haka time! That's right. And we must be up to the last part of our mate korona haka. But can I do all the leading parts? Sure. Sure, I'm real good at them. As soon as I can get it to change over. Yes. It would help if I point the remote at the TV, eh? And not just into the atmosphere. Right, here we go. Last section today. This little part here. It starts off with a really long piece for the leader. Noho ki te kainaka haumaru te noho. And just before the word starts is our first action. Just over here. Kapai. Right hand goes on top. Alright? And say it after me. Horoea. Horoea. O ringa ringa. O ringa ringa. Horoea o ringa ringa. Horoea o ringa ringa. Kia ora. Right hand is going to shoot off to the side. 2. And then you're going to whip your head over to the side. Just over there. Ka pai. Tu tirara. Ka pai. Tu tirara. You get that one? Ka pai. And then the last part. Noho tawhiti. Noho tawhiti. Tu kotahie. Tu kotahie. Ka pai. After me. Horoia o ringa ringa. Horoia o ringa ringa. Tu tirara. Tu tirara. Noho tawhiti. Noho tawhiti. What comes after that?
Tawhiti tu. Otaki. Tawhiti tu.
Oh yeah, I got the actions wrong. Noho tawhiti. Noho tawhiti. And then 2 grabs. Tu kotahie. Tu kotahie. Choice. Boy. Owe. 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 And we're finished. Part 3 of our Mate Koro na Haka. Here we go. Noho ki te kainga kia haumaru te noho. Horoia o ringa ringa. Tu tirara. Noho tawhiti tu kotahie. Owe. 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 Hey. Yeah, 2 to go, 2 to go. That was our walkthrough. Yep. Now we've got to step up the energy, stronger voice, some more accuracy and strength into our actions, yeah? Here we go. Noho ki te kainga kia haumaru te noho. Horoia o ringa ringa. Tu tirara noho tawhiti tu kotahie. Aue, aue, aue. Hey. Ka pai. 3rd time. We do the whole thing. Ja. Binks. Jordan. Are you doing it? Yeah, I'm going to lead the haka. He just goes for a walk. Are you doing it? Here we go. Get up. We're doing the whole thing, eh? Nice and strong. You ready?
Whakarongo, kutaku, korero tupato.
Mate korona e ki te ti, ki te ta, kua urua te, hua ke tone, hei te whenua, o Aotearoa.
Ia te rua mana, rua te kau.
Hu, tu, te rangi, kora hui tia te kawanai, i ngā kura, ngā mahi, ngā hui, ngā tūtaki, haka tu te rere, ha hapori, o te mate korona e.
Roto kainga ka haumara te noho.
Haraia o ringa ringa, tu tirara, noho tawhiti tu kotahie, aue, 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 hei. Kiraro. Ooh, eh? What a fierce haka. Feel that energy, feel that mauri, feel that life force. Ao noa ponoa, feel it day and night, eh? 24/7 living in that energy. Kia ora tātou. Ka pai, ka pai. All right. What's that, bro? Let's see where we are. Right. So as promised, We're going to sing Rona. Kapai.
Rona.
Matua Leon sent me a message yesterday saying that the Fox whānau was really missing Rona. They really wanted to sing this one, so kia ora tātou. Thanks for putting on requests, eh? Influencing the playlist. Kia ora. Here we go. So our whānau, we live in Stokes Valley, which isn't too far from Upper Hutt. And up in Upper Hutt there is a beautiful marae up there called Orongo Mai. Orongo Mai marae. And Orongo Mai marae is the home of this Waiata rona. Toru. Tā koto mauri te moe mauri uri tuakeo. Titira ki te ataru keiru ngara. Te marama e whiti ana kai he arona. E rungara. Piri ki te toho, piri ki te mai au era. E rona e au era. Beautiful song, eh? Kapai. So, I am going to sing this song one more time. And while I'm singing it, you can sing along with me. But also, grab your poi and you can do some poi moves along to this waiata. Kapai? You want to enjoy your poi. You get your poi. You got it? Yeah. Yeah. Well, tell your mum to get her poi and stand up as well. Yeah. Good. Kapai. Everyone ready? All right, here we go. I'll sing, you poi. Tā kota ngāui te moe ngāui uri tuakeo. Titiro ki te ataru kei rungara. Te marama e whiti ana kei he arona. E rungara. Piri ki te toho, piri ki te mai au era. E rona e au era. Nā tā kota ngāui te moe ngāui uri tuakeo. Titiro ki te ataru kei rungara. Te marama e whiti ana kei he arona. E rungara. Piri ki te toho, piri ki te mai o. Au era e rona e. Au e rona e. Hi au e hui. Woo! Awesome, mai. I pehe ana tō koutou poi. How was your poi? Ka rawe, ka rawe. Kia kaha tonu koutou ki ta ako i tō koutou poi. You know, keep practicing your poi. Like I said before, find your favorite Māori song on Spotify or YouTube and just enjoy it. Figure it out. Yeah? Kia ora. All right, let me just have a quick look at the time. See how we're doing for time. I got it. Okay, 1:15. Right, let's do that. Cool. Right. So, we're going to finish off in very second. We're just going to finish off in just a second. But before we finish off, a quick reminder, straight after this, I'm going to take a 5-minute break and then I'm going to be back live on my Facebook page with a cup of tea to talk a little bit about my mataora and to answer any questions that you might have about mataora. Ka pai, about my moko. Ka pai. All good? Right, here we go. So, repeat after me. Stamp, stamp, clap. Beat, beat, clap. Beat, clap. Special move, clap. Special move, clap. Beat, beat, clap. Beat, beat, clap. Right, now let's do it in te reo. Takahia paki.
Takahia paki
Te piti piti paki. First move. Pow pow paki.
Pau pau paki.
Te piti piti paki.
Piti paki.
That's the one. Let's put it all together. Yeah? Toru fa. Takahia paki. Te piti piti paki. Pow pow paki. Te piti piti paki. One more. Takahia paki. Te piti piti paki. Pow pow paki. Te piti piti paki. Kia ora. Now we're going to swap pow pow for another move, eh? Put another move in there. And the second move that I want to do today is huri huri. And for huri huri, you just have to turn around. Ka pai? Let's try it. Pow pow into huri huri. Toru fa. Toko hia toki te piti piti paki. Pow pow paki te piti piti paki. Toko hia paki te piti piti paki. Huri huri paki te piti piti paki. Dance move number 3.
Floss.
We're gonna floss.
Eh,
What's the floss on number 3? Stand over there. Make sure people can see you. Can they even see this guy?
Hand on floss.
Alright, there we go. Alright, here we go. So, like I said, pow pow number 1, huri huri number 2, and the last one will floss on number 3.
I'm
Ka pai?
getting in front of you.
Yeah. Here we go. Toru fa. Toko hia paki te piti piti paki ki te pow pow paki te piti piti paki. Toko hia paki te piti piti paki ki te huri huri paki te piti piti paki. Toko hia paki te piti piti paki ki te floss floss paki te piti piti. Hold it there. All right. High five, bro.
Floss competition.
Good work. One more. We're going to go super fast through, yeah? You got to do your best to keep up with me and Jaden, all right? Here we go. Toru fa. Taka hia paki te piti piti paki ki te pau pau paki te piti piti paki. Taka hia paki te piti piti paki ki te huri huri paki te piti piti paki. Taka hia paki te piti piti paki ki te floss floss paki te piti piti paki. Woo!
I also been there. You with that.
Awesome. High five, team.
Bum,
Good work.
bum, bum.
Hey, thank you so much for coming these last 3 days and sharing some time with us. Really appreciate it. If you want to learn more about Mataora, I'll be back in about 5 minutes live on Facebook. Until then, from my whānau to your whānau, our whānau, kia haumaru te noho. Ka kite anō.
I'll do mums. Got mums.